Hello students, welcome to Module 3, The Fight Against Slavery. In this short lecture, I will talk about the learning outcomes, and then I will explain briefly the content of this module. First, in terms of learning outcomes, upon completing this module, you should be able to explain the causes of the Civil War that led to the abolition of slavery. Next, you should be also able to explain the roles of the African Americans during the Civil War, explain also the Reconstruction and how it was a failure for most African Americans, especially for those who lived in the South. And finally, upon completing this module, you should be able to explain the rise of white supremacy and racial discrimination in America. In terms of the content, this module will contain 4 recorded lectures. Each one of these lectures will be followed by a reading, and I urge you to complete the reading after you have listened to the lecture. You also have a map exercise, just like in the other module, one video to watch and respond to, and finally a quiz to take at the end of this module. So welcome to this module once again, and please move to lecture 3.1 to start the module.